Almost all the supplies I used in today's games came from Dollar Tree. It's time to get this party started. Oreo end zone slide. All right, party people, shake off those crumbs and let's march down the field to the next game. Each player gets 2 Oreos and 2 slides. Slide your Oreo across the table and aim for the bowls on the side. If your Oreo lines up with a bowl, you win the bill inside. Yes, it could be up to $100. Best alignment wins the cash. No reslides. Don't blink because we're calling a no huddle offense and jumping straight into the next challenge. End zone knockdown. 12 cups are stacked into a pyramid at the end of the table. Each player gets 3 ping pong balls, that's it. Throw all 3 and try to knock down as many cups as possible. The player with the most cups down after 3 throws wins the game. That one was a crowd pleaser, but the next game is about to bring some serious end zone energy. Bounce for the Benjamins. Football-themed bowls are lined up, each hiding a money prize underneath. Players get 3 tries to bounce a ping pong ball into a bowl. Land it in a bowl, lift it up, and claim the cash. Yes! Miss all 3? No money, but plenty of bragging rights on the line. Take a quick water break, do your touchdown dance, and get ready for the next play. Halftime hustle. Each player starts with a rolled up green party streamer. On go, unroll your streamer as fast as you can using only your hands. First person to fully unroll their streamer wins the game. It's simple, speedy, and absolutely hilarious to watch. We're in the final stretch now, and this next game is pure Super Bowl drama. Don't fumble. 10 cups are stacked into a pyramid with a ping pong ball balanced on the very top cup. Players race to take down and restack their cups without letting the ball fall. If the ball drops even once, you are out of the game. First player to finish with the ball still on top wins the game. Before you go, let me know, which team are you rooting for? Leave it in the comment section down below. Let's get a little rivalry started.